Hello everyone, my name is Yu Yang. I'm a master's student at Carolina Health Informatics program in biomedical and health informatics. I will briefly introduce some additional resource for data visualization. Now let's take a look at the demo project on COVID-19.
Here is our demo project. You will see this project in our Jupyter Notebook. For each cell, you will have to click Run to execute those commands. The first cell block contains codes to import the required packages for our project. This is how the output section looks like. It will display the structured data as a result, which has fields like country name, confirmed cases, new cases, etc. Now we go to the next block. This block import the data into the data frame to have a rough view of the data in chart. This enables a more structured visualization. We then do a sorting to organize the data according to our needs. In this case, we're sorting the confirmed cases in descending order. You can tell easily which country has the highest confirmed cases. What you can also do is to extrude part of the data and extract some of those that you need. Here we extract the top 10 records from the above table. All this, the rest are showing you how to organize data in different way and extract them. So this is how we code a simple bar chart with a few lines of code. You can calculate more if you like differentiate the countries by different colors. You can always try to visualize the data in different graphs for various purposes. Bar chart is good comparing numbers, and line chart can tell you the general trend. We will have some exercise in the Jupyter Notebook for you to try by your own later. That's all I have. Hope you enjoy this module.
So for the real world data visualization application, we highly recommend you to learn Tableau, which can produce a wide variety of beautiful and handful visualizations and maps. And their interface is interactive and easy to use. You will find many organizations utilizing the Tableau to create their dashboards or profiles. UNC had 1 year academic license available to students. You can go to the link here to register the license so that you can download a free version of Tableau and practice there. Tableau also hosts free e-learning course for students to learn basic functionalities. Other than that, UNC libraries also have a short about 1 hour introduction video about Tableau if you're interested. There are many different types of Tableau certificates that you can get. Those certificates will be a great way to boost your resume. Next, we will take a close look at some useful materials that can assist you with understanding and utilizing data visualization more thoroughly. Since we're using Python as the main programming language for demoing either in this lecture or the interactive coding section in Jupyter Notebook, we will first go over some useful Python packages or libraries. Lither is a easy-to-go Python library for those who need to create charts immediately and do not care whether the chart is perfect or not. The Lither library is a pretty new library, and some of the documentations are still in progress. So this library is a great choice if you want to roughly create a chart of good quality. Matplotlib is another handy library that is probably the most common library for data visualization. It is a MATLAB inspired library that has all the graphs supported by MATLAB, but in a simpler form. For the students who don't know MATLAB, MATLAB is also a programming language that often used on the numeric computing environment. Go back to Matplotlib. It is versatile enough to plot probably all the graphs that you want, but the interface is in low level, which means the graphs will be functional but maybe not look nice. NumPy and Pandas are common libraries that you will see in our other modules. NumPy is a numerical library that supports simple and powerful data structure. And Pandas is a library that mainly used for data analysis. which allows data manipulation such as data cleaning. There are many more advanced libraries available for visualizing data. See the top 8 Python libraries for data visualization article that posted in Geeks for Geeks. We won't spend much time in course to talk about that, but if you're interested, feel free to send us an email and we're happy to lead you to those sources. We have put documentation links for those Python packages in the PowerPoint. We highly encourage you to go over some of the contents. It'll be easier for you to find tutorials and examples on the section that you want. Other than Tableau, we have put a list of data visualization tools that are available in market with different functionality emphasis. For example, Flourish is a great tool for visualization, animated graphs, or charts. Giphy is an open source and free tool for visualizing networks. Feel free to explore some of those applications depending on your specific needs. You can also find a whole bunch of great resources in UNC Library about data visualization. Those 3 textbooks were published recently and have high reputation. We encourage you to go over some of the sections in those books if you're interested to learn more. UNC Library also hosts a consultation section. You can make appointment with a librarian and get assistance with data visualization for assignments or projects. Simply go to the link in the PowerPoint. There are also some worth reading articles that touch base on different real-world cases. We now want to appreciate the support from United Health Foundation, National Institute of Health, and UNC Program for Precision Medicine in Healthcare. If you're interested in a master's or a PhD program in digital health or health informatics, please feel free to drop us a line to chip@unc.edu. Thank you.